Hi everyone and welcome to Dobby's Signature. In this video, we'll be learning how to make tasty party-style jollof rice. We're bringing the party home. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss upcoming yummy posts. Let's get cooking. In a pot, pour in your cooking oil. Next, you add your onion. Give this a good stir for about 1 minute. Then you add your tomato paste. Adding this concentrated tomato paste gives it that very red color. Although you can do without it, it's always necessary to add it. So it's going to have that bright red color. Next, I'm adding tomato puree, which is a blend of tomato and pepper and sometimes ginger, garlic, and a host of other things. This enhances the flavor as well as the color. So you just stir that in. It's always very, very good to have all these ingredients prepared. It makes things easier. So next I'll add the salt, garlic powder, crushed seasoning powder, curry powder, thyme or oregano, and I'll give this a good stir. Next, in goes the rinsed rice. Just give this a good stir to combine everything together. And then after stirring that, I'm going to add the meat stock into this. So you add that and stir. Once that's stirred completely, in goes the bay leaves. This adds a very nice flavor to the rice. Gives it that party flavor, although what makes it really taste like that party rice is when you leave it to burn. Now you're going to cover this and cook till it is soft. You can add water if it is still strong. This is just perfect. This is absolutely amazing. Yeah, just give this a good mix and your jollof rice is ready. That's very easy, right? Very, very easy. Now you can serve this with plantain, you can serve it with moi moi, you can serve it with any protein of your choice. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't fail to give a thumb up and also hit the like button. Till next time, bye bye.